Well, good morning and welcome to another one of my cooking shows so I can send my friend a video out. My Harvest Teeter had a one-day special, buy one get one free crab. So I decided I'm going to make crab cakes out of it. And you need a half a cup of breadcrumbs, some Dijon mustard, an egg, some mayo, and lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce. And for the lemon juice, what I do is ahead of time, instead of just buying it when I need it, I'll just grate it and I'll actually squeeze it and put it in a ice cube container and put it in the freezer. Then I thaw it out when I need it. So in here we got the half cup of mayonnaise. I don't have fresh parsley, so I put in here dried parsley, 2 tablespoons. Then we got the 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. It's 1.5 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, a teaspoon of lemon juice. I'm going to add in half a cup of panko breadcrumbs. Some people use saltines, but I decided to use that. And the 1 egg. And add a little bit of salt. Now for me, I don't like Old Bay, so I decided to skip the Old Bay and the hot sauce. Let's mix this up. I had some extra shallots, so I'm going to add in half a shallot as well. You add in the crab and you want to apparently fold it in. You don't want to stir it and break up all the crab. Okay, now that's all folded in and not stirred, put it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to kind of set up. Then we're going to come back and make crab cakes. While that's setting up, I'm going to make some tartar sauce. I'm not usually a huge fan of it, so I'm going to make half a cup of mayo, 1 teaspoon of relish, half a teaspoon of mustard, and half a teaspoon of lemon. Okay, so there is the tartar sauce. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan, so I didn't do the regular recipe. I only did half, but I did add a little bit extra relish. So I left it in the refrigerator for a little bit. I'm going to actually put them on a pan with, it's actually foil that's non-stick, and I can't wait to try them. Okay, so here's the crab cakes. I'm going to go into a 400-degree oven, I think for like 10-15 minutes, and we will double check. Well, they definitely look amazing. Let's see how they taste. I'm going to put it on a sandwich with the homemade tartar sauce that I made. Okay, it definitely looks amazing. Oh my God. That is so good. You gotta try it.